Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you 4 keywords you can search in your Instagram stories to pull up some very cool story stickers that you can use to increase the engagement in your stories. Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay guys, I just got through working out, so here I am, and I wanted to share with you today how you can increase the engagement in your stories. And using stickers is one of the ways to make your stories more visually pleasing. So that today I'm going to share with you 4 keywords you can search and show you the stickers that pull up when you search those keywords, how to search them, and how to use them in your Instagram stories to make your stories more visually pleasing and increase that engagement, because that's what we want, right? Let me share my screen and show you your first keyword. Okay, so the first keyword you're going to search is dots, D-O-T-S, and here you can see all the cool little stickers that it pulls up. The next word you want to search is Gladys, G-L-A-D-D-E-S-T, and here you can see thank yous and hello, my morning, coffee, all kinds of fun stickers that you can use to increase your engagement. Next keyword you're going to search is boho, B-O-H-O, and here you can see some fun boho style stickers that will help you. And next is Mikyla, M-I-K-Y-L-A, and here are some fun flowers and rainbows that you can use. I hope this was super helpful. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure you do that right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. If you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share, comment below and tell me your favorite keyword that pulls up your favorite sticker. I would love to know which ones you think you'll be using the most, and I will catch y'all next Thursday with more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay, bye.